Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope you'll be staying safe and healthy at your homes. Today's our offline class is about phylum Arthopoda. Arthopoda is from two Greek words orthon and podos. Orthon in Greek means joint and podos means feet. That is, Arthropoda means the animals with jointed feet or appendages. Arthropoda were first studied by Aristotle around 380 to 322 BC. Aristotle, the father of zoology. One Siebold in the year 1845 proposed the term Arthropoda and established it as phylum. Arthropoda is the largest phylum of the kingdom Animalia. Arthropoda constitutes about 82% of all animals and 63% of all organisms. Phylum Arthropoda includes prawns, insects, spiders, scorpions, crabs, ticks, mites, centipedes, and millipedes. There are about 9 lakh to 11 lakh species of Arthropoda. Insecta forms the largest class of phylum Arthropoda. Now let's move to its general characters. Habitat. Arthropodas are both terrestrial and aquatic. In aquatic, they are freshwater as well as marine water. Arthropodas can be parasites. They can be parasites to plants as well as animals. Now the symmetry. Arthropodas are bilaterally symmetrical. That means their body can be divided into two equal halves by a single plane only. Germ layers. Arthropods are triploblastic. Coelom. Arthropods are coelomate animals. Level of organization. They possess organ system level of organization. Now the body wall. Body is covered with a thick, tough, chitinous cuticle which forms exoskeleton. Another feature, body form. Body varies considerably. They have jointed legs, body segmented externally, and consists of head, thorax, and abdomen. Digestive tract. Digestive tract of arthropods is complete. Alimentary canal consists of foregut, cytomodium, midgut, mesenteron, and hindgut, proctodium. Blood vascular system. Arthropods have open system, that is, blood does not flow in defined or definite vessels. There are irregular spaces known as lacunae or sinuses which are filled with blood. Respiratory organs. In aquatic forms, there are gills or book gills for gaseous exchange. Tracheal system or book lungs in terrestrial forms. Now the excretory system. Excretion takes place through green glands, for example, crabs and prawns, or through malpighian tubules, for example, insects. In some, coxal glands are excretory organs. So far as sexes are separate, that means arthropods are dioecious. Sexual dimorphism is observed in many forms. Now the development. In arthropods, fertilization is usually internal and they are mostly oviparous. Development may be direct or indirect. Larval stage is called nauplus, metanauplus, zoea, metazoa. That means development is direct or indirect. Now the classification of Arthropoda. On the basis of body divisions and presence or absence of certain appendages, phylum Arthropoda is divided into following 7 classes. In some books, there are only 6 classes. These classes include Crustacea, Chilopoda, Diplopoda, Insecta, Orchidea, Onychophora, Merostoma, Merostomata. Now let us take the first class of phylum Arthropoda, Crustacea. Crusta in Latin means shell. The characters of class Crustacea: body is divisible into 2 parts, cephalothorax and abdomen. Exoskeleton is calcified, that is carapace. Head has 2 pairs of antennae, 3 pairs of jaws, and a pair of stacked compound eyes. A pair of stacked compound eyes. Excretion, that is through green glands or antennary glands. Development is indirect with various types of larvae like Nauplius, Meta, Nauplius, Zoa, Metazoa. For example, Paleomon, that is prawn, or Estacus are the example, or crayfish. These are the examples belonging to class Crustacea. Second class of Arthropoda is Chilopoda. The characters of this class: body is divisible into head and trunk. Each trunk segment bears a pair of legs. First pair of legs are modified into poison claws. There is a single pair of antennae. For example, Cecolopendon or centipede. Then we have the next class, that is Diplopoda. Characters of this class: body is divisible into head, thorax and abdomen. A single pair of antennae are there. Each thoracic segment bears a pair of legs except first thoracic segment. However, each abdominal segment has 2 pairs of legs. For example, Julius, that is the millipede that belongs to this class Diplopoda. Now, fourth class of this arthropoda, that is the insecta, which is the largest class, are Hexapoda. Body is divisible into head, thorax and abdomen. There is a pair of antennae, a pair of compound eyes. Thorax consists of 3 segments with 3 pairs of legs and usually 2 pairs of wings. The uric acid is the chief excretory product. Examples of this class: silverfish, cockroach, bedbug, locust. Then fifth class of Arthropoda, Archnida. Body is usually divisible into cephalothorax and abdomen. The cephalothorax bears simple eyes and 6 pairs of appendages. Antennae are absent. Respiratory organs are book lungs or trachea or both. That means respiration takes place either through book lungs or through trachea, or both are present. Examples of this class are scorpion, spider, ticks, mites. Then we have the sixth class of phylum Arthropoda, Onychophora. Animals are worm-like. Externally, the body is not segmented. Respiration is by tracheae. Excretory organs are nephridia, like annelids. Legs are unjointed and stumpy. Onychophora, they are making a connecting link between annelids and arthropods. For example, periapetes belongs to this. Periapetes is also called walking worm. Then seventh class of this arthropoda, merostomata or merostomata. The body is divisible into cephalothorax and abdomen. Antennae are absent. Legs are 5 pairs. Respiration is through book gills. Excretion occurs through coxal glands. Blood is blue colored due to hemocyanin. Hemocyanin is the pigment which imparts blue color to the blood. In case of this Merostomata class of Arthropoda. Example, limbless, that is a king cobra or horseshoe crab. This was about the Arthropoda, its classification, and this completes our phylum Arthropoda with its classification. Thank you all.